Everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to the free demo session of PG Diploma in Clinical Research. First of all, thank you for taking the time to explore a career in one of the fastest growing and most stable industry in healthcare, that is clinical research. Today's session will give you a clear understanding of what is the clinical research, career opportunity in clinical research and job role, course structure and topics cover, course value, placement support, all doubt you have that clear in today's lecture. Okay, by the end of this demo, you will know whether this course is the right fit for your future. What is a clinical research? Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines safety and effectiveness of drug for quality of life by systematic, experimental, and observational biomedical studies. And what is the role of clinical research professionals? They plan and conduct clinical trials. What is clinical trial? What is a preclinical trial? That's all terminology we will cover in the lecture. Okay, in demo lecture. But broad understanding and broad concept, that is clinical trial, is performed on humans, and preclinical trial, the trial performed on animals. Keep in your mind. Okay, that is a broad. Ensure a patient safety, maintain regulatory compliance, generate accurate data for drug approvals. With increased global demand for new drugs, vaccine, and medical device, India has become a major hub for clinical research. Why choose a career in clinical research? If you start your course, then definitely you have a personal purpose. Okay, but the why clinical research is fast and stable industry? Because that is high demanded in India and globally. Opportunity for life science, pharmacy, medical, and any other health related graduate means nursing also, B.Pharma, all growth oriented role with the international exposure, job in reputed pharmaceutical companies, research organization, and hospitals. Job designation after complete the course. Okay, clinical research coordinator, clinical research associate, clinical trial assistant, data coordinator, regulatory affair executive, pharmacovigilance executive, and so on designation. Because this course will be cover medical coding, clinical data management, clinical trials, clinical research, new drug development, pharmacovigilance, audit, inspection, all the topics they will cover. That's why you have the most opportunity. Companies where you can work. Okay, which companies? Pharmaceutical, clinical research organization, hospitals, biotechnology companies, medical device companies, regulatory consulting firm, um, any other the MNCs. Okay. Course duration and structure. That course is for 3 months, and model, that is the practical and industrial oriental training. Practical means we will take a session for medical coding. That's how you decode disease, how you code that disease. Okay, and no pressure. If you like demo session, then you will enroll. Okay, which topic will cover in the upcoming lectures and course? Introduction of clinical research, drug development, phase of clinical trial, good clinical practice, ICS guidelines, ethics committee, informed consent, role and responsibility of CRA, CRC, clinical trial documentation, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, all medical coding. Okay, the more topics we will cover in a lecture. Course value and fees. Actual market fees, of course, that is a 50,000. Yes, and our special offer fee just 10,000. The best part, you pay 8,000 after placement, not right now. Okay, you pay after placement. How many you? How much? You can pay now. Just 999. Register your registration for your course in just 999, and you start the course. So 3 months of course you complete first, then we will call our team call you for placement, and then after you join on the day you join, you pay the full fees of course. Placement support, the placement oriented training, interview preparation, resume and profile optimization, industry exposure and guidance, support until placement. Our goal is not just teaching, our goal is to help you start your career. You can join pharma, life science, biotech, micro, nursing, all who have science. Attend free demo session, understand the course and training style. If you satisfied, enroll by paying just 99. Okay. If you are satisfied, then enroll by paying just 999. Start your journey toward the professional career in clinical research. Thank you. And anyone who interested in the this course, please send your resume in navigate 11 path @gmail.com. Okay, I will mention in description. Thank you.